Okay, then we will stop that one. Right.
Ah!
What happened?
Oh. There we go. Maybe.
Let's get back down there on the floor, lady. There you go.
Ah!
Well, how did that do that again?
This switch and switch, it does it all the time.
Oh,
Or
flip it. Flip the. Okay, that's enough.
His teeth.
Well, it's because the yellow. Yeah.
I didn't know we did a movie.
I'm doing it.
No, I mean actual movie. You know, it's a monster with white cars.
I want this part right here first.
Seeing the monster.
Okay. Okay. Did you make the movie?
Yes.
What's your name? Okay. Did you make the movie?
Yes.
What's your name?
My name?
Uh-huh.
My name is Katie McElhaney, and this other Miles.
How can he talk? What's your name, little boy?
My name is Miles Benjamin McElhaney.
Miles Benjamin McElhaney. And how?
3,
And how old is Katie?
6.
Oh, wow. And we've made what's the train movie tonight. So, and we'll put it so Dad and Mom can see it, okay?
Yeah.
All right. And she's been patient through this whole thing, hasn't she? What a nightmare. Okay, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.